Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to Backyard Kitchen Garden. On this new video guys, we're going to talk about how to grow your okra guys. So basically guys, when you grow your okra, you get these seeds from your okra packets guys. So this packet of seeds guys, you normally get them from when your okra plant has matured about 3 to 4 months, when it's summer or springtime guys. So after that guys, your okra will produce these beautiful seeds. After producing these beautiful seeds guys, you are going to wait for your pouch to dry up. After drying up guys, you will get these beautiful seeds here, and then you extract them, and then you wait for the season to plant okra guys. Basically you can wait for summer or spring to plant your beautiful seeds guys. So on this new video guys, we are not going to talk about how you plant your seeds, but I can do an example for you guys. So basically whenever I plant my seeds guys, I prepare the soil. After preparing the soil guys, I go ahead and scatter these beautiful seeds on the ground, and then after that I extract them. After extracting them guys, I'm going to transplant them, as I'm going to do them right now guys. So these beautiful plants here guys, they last about 4 months in the springtime and 4 months in the summertime guys. So a beautiful plant, as you can see for yourself guys, very interesting. Okay guys, without no waste of time guys, I'm going to explain how you can grow your okra guys. So let's get to it. So first things first guys, what you have to do guys is to apply proper spacing between your plants. So normally guys, if you do this type of plants, you have to apply proper spacing. Now okra guys, it's a plant that also looks like a tree, so it can grow very long guys. So when you've planted it like this guys, you have to water it. Make sure that you give it enough water. After giving it enough water guys, you have to make sure that you water it frequently until its roots clinch within the soil. So the proper spacing that I prefer guys is this one. I don't know if you can manage to do the proper spacing on your own, but preferably guys, I prefer this size between here and here. So I'm planting the next one here now. So this here guys, it is called the taproot. So basically the taproot guys, it's a heart of a plant. So whenever you have plants that have this type of roots, know that they are plants that require a lot of water, because whenever you don't water them guys, your plant can become little here at the top, and then the taproot will be long, which shows that you don't water enough. If you water enough guys, your taproot will not be long, because it gets its water on the surface. So basically, as you can see, this plant again here guys, it is ready to produce flowers here, so which shows that it is ready to produce our okra. So in most cases I normally plant this type of plants here when they are ready to produce, because if you transplant them when they are young, they get risks of dying because they have not yet been matured for transplantations. So we are going to do like this. Okay, that is the second one in. Don't forget to water guys. So this one is leaning towards this one. Okay, then we have the third one. So an okra plant guys, you expected to have probably 20 okras per plant. So if you are interested in farming okra, you will have a good harvest when you water it frequently and apply proper mulching and fertilization techniques, and your okra will probably produce a lot more than what I've said, guys. So there's always a possibility when you're a farmer or a gardener, guys. Okay, guys, so I'm going to plant around 6 plants here, and then we will be done with our video, guys. So in most cases, guys, I get questions of what are the benefits of okra. So okra, guys, have a lot of benefits for people with chronic conditions, especially for those who have high blood pressure, diabetes. There's a fluid in okra when you eat the okra that it seems like it's a gel. That fluid, guys, it helps a lot, guys. So I will be posting further details about the things that will help you when you eat okra, the benefits. You have to eat a lot of vegetables, guys, especially those that you plant on your own, because when you buy them, they are expensive. Make sure that you don't buy them, you plant them. Planting is a lot cheaper, guys. So I'm expecting this plant here. As you can see, when I put it this way, it relaxes on its own. So basically by the end of midnight, I know that its neck will be standing upright like this. Okay, so this is our last one here, guys. So don't forget, guys. Oh, check this out, guys. So as you can see here, guys, we've lost our taproot here, but because we have these small roots, it can manage to salvage and create a new taproot here at the bottom here, and then you will get healthy okras. So tomorrow, after I watered them again, I am going to apply liquid fertilizers, guys. I will be posting videos soon how I make my liquid fertilizers, but you can check on my previous videos how I used my liquid fertilizers. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Your support is much appreciated, guys. This is okra seeds again, guys. I will see you in the new video.